Hello and welcome to the Breas tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to fill the humidifier for your Vivo ventilator. To remove the humidifier from the ventilator, you push down the dark gray latch on top of the humidifier and then pull the humidifier out. To fill the humidifier with distilled or sterilized water or boiled chilled tap water, you need to hold the humidifier with the air port opening upwards and fill water into either of the air pod openings. Make sure not to fill above the maximum indicator lines. After filling, you slide the humidifier back into the backside of the Vivo ventilator. A firm click indicates that the humidifier is correctly installed. And the humidifier is now ready to be used. We hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information and other tutorial videos on how to use our Vivo bi-level ventilators, please visit our website at breas.com. Thank you for watching.